Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Tater, and Taz is behind the camera. We're getting ready to take a cruise in the 1968 Ford Mustang coupe. This is a very nice driver. This car has been garage kept. It has a 302 crate motor in it that has around 250 miles on it. Has 3-speed on the floor, power steering, power brakes, aftermarket air, Bluetooth stereo for you young whippersnappers.
We like it.
I'm 6'3", and today I'm feeling about 280. It depends on what car I'm in, on how I feel. I'm like a woman. I feel fat sometimes. But anyway, we're going to do a start and take it for a cruise for you. Fires right up. The gauge is it's going right up to 60 pounds of oil pressure. Charging good, and you can tell it's a cold. The temperature hasn't even moved yet, but we're getting ready to take off for a little cruise. It's got a good clutch. The transmission's tight. This is a very good black paint job. If you guys know anything about black, you know that the car's got to be pretty straight for it to be black. You can see all the underneath pictures of it on our website at theraceshop.com. And all the interior pics, all the motor pics, all of that. And once we get back, we'll do a walk around video of it. I like this car. Shifts great, smooth. Oil pressure still up around 70. Charging good. Temperature starting to creep up a little bit. Speedometer works. This is a very nice driver. You can get in this thing and just go. We're right in the central part of Missouri, so if you're anywhere close to us, come down and visit us. Check out Lake of the Ozarks. Come and check out our showroom. Check out our t-shirts online. theraceshop.com. You can call us at 573-693-7223. Ask for Tater or Taz. If we're not there, ask for Corey, Russell. If we're not there, ask for Courtney. If she's not there, ask for anybody else. But usually me or Taz are always there. It's the rule. The boss man says one of us has to stay.
Except during drive video.
But this thing drives good. I'm let loose. It doesn't turn right or left. This is a good little driver. The transmission is tight. The interior is really nice. Got a new dash in it. We only usually do about a 5 or 6 minute video of it. The oil pressure is still at 60. It's kicking about 180, I think, 175. But yeah, check us out, theraceshop.com, 573-693-7223. From myself and Taz and theraceshop.com. Let her eat any chance you get. Just don't get caught. Peace out. Hey, what's up going on, guys? We're doing a walk around video on the 1968 Mustang coupe. You can probably hear Courtney in the background clickety-clicking with her high heels on. Anyway, this is a very nice car. We just took it for a drive. Runs and drives great. Got really nice interior. You'll be able to see all the pictures of the underneath of it. All the info on our website at theraceshop.com in Eldon, Mo. We just got back from a test drive, so it might have just a little bit of dust on it, but it is a very nice paint job. Shock towers are all in good shape. Rebuilt 302 crate motor, fresh crate motor. Remember guys, check us out, theraceshop.com, 573-693-7223. And it goes clickety click again.